Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable auto spacing on this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. To enable or disable this feature, we need to go in the settings as usual and then scroll till the general management and choose Samsung keyboard settings. After this, scroll a bit to see more typing options and choose auto spacing. So, this feature allows you to insert a space automatically after you add a word using predictive text or swipe to type. If you want to disable it, just tap on this switcher so it will be gray like this, and now it is disabled. But this function is really handy when you type a lot and want to save time. If you need more control over spaces, for example, when typing in another language, you can disable this feature. And that's it! Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.